Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to see your Google account password if you forgot it. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your settings. So click on your settings from your phone. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to navigate to Google. Next thing you need to do is to click on manage your Google account. Then you have to swipe and go to security. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down to password manager. Click on manage password. That's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on google.com. Then you'll be taken to your Google account. It's as simple as that. So right here, you have your username and you have your password. So what you want to do is to simply click on this icon and retrieve your Google password. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to see your Google account password if you eventually forgot it. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.